Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. For Tuesday the 15th of April, I'm going to look at Euro-Dollar now, and as I said earlier, the dollar continues to make this recovery. And this is Euro-Dollar on a daily chart, and you would say after the four strong white candles there, you had the doji on Friday, and now you've had the gap which has been bearishly filled. That gap from Friday's low, bearishly filled at 38.63. So yesterday we had a rally to 38.63 before bearishly coming off again. So that would suggest that downside is beginning to increase on this euro chart, and we could be in a corrective phase once more. But just to be honest, just corrective within this. In the medium to longer term up phase, but certainly at the moment the last couple of days suggest the correction is gathering momentum. Stochastics crossover in the overbought position, so that is also corrective as well. On the intraday chart, I've zoomed back quite a long way actually, just to show you the resistance of this 38.40 mark, which provided the neckline support of that big head and shoulders top pattern there, and then has provided basically the neckline support of a smaller head and shoulders top, which we've got going on at the moment. So if I zoom in a bit more there, that's that neckline. Sorry, that's that old 38.40 mark. The neckline, you probably argue, is around about this low of 38.30, 38.29, and that is again providing the resistance. And the other factor I point out here on this intraday chart is this green 21-hour moving average, which provided a very nice basis of support on the way up, turned over and is now at the basis of resistance, and that has been used on a couple of occasions through the correction. So that's 38.16. So you would certainly say that any sort of recovery now in towards that 38 sort of 16 towards that neckline at around 38.30, that is would be a great chance to sell this chart. You've got the momentum indicators now firmly camped in negative configuration on the hourly chart. MACD continues to over the past couple of days fall back towards 30 and then just bounce, failing to get above 50. Sorry, that's the RSI. The MACD lines are firmly below the zero line, and that is suggestive of negative configuration, and also stochastics as well. So this chart is definitely now corrective in its intent, and you've had this top pattern below 38, as I said, 38.30, and measured from the high. That gives us around about 36.65. Sorry, 37.65 as a downside target on the near term. So we could be coming back towards this resistance. I'll zoom out slightly here so you get a bit more of an idea. So I think you're going to probably coming back towards this resistance band around 37.70. That seems to be a fairly big pivot level through the latter end of March and early April. So interesting pivot level there you could be returning to. But as I said, yeah, we're in a corrective phase, and I believe that any sort of rallies are chances to sell on the euro dollar today. In terms of aborting that pattern, certainly 38.30 seems to be the big resistance at the moment. However, a move above 38.60, which is 38. Let me just try and get that 38.63, which is that rally high from yesterday. That would be considered to be aborting this corrective phase, but it doesn't look like we're going to be seeing that at the moment. Certainly any sort of rally, as I said, towards 38.15 to 30, I think is a chance to sell today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Eurodollar. Don't forget that there is the US inflation figure out this afternoon at 1:30, which could have a significant impact on this chart. Certainly if it comes in disappointing, then you could see a sharp move to the upside on this Eurodollar chart. But we also have to bear in mind you've got Janet Yellen speaking 15 minutes after that inflation data at 1:45. And that could also have an impact on this chart. So a couple of things this afternoon that could move euro dollar. So I wish you good luck, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.